Let's continue with the men's perspective. Let go with the left hand, your right hand keeps holding the lady's left hand, use it to unwrap your partner, shifting your weight to the right leg, then to the left again into the opening. Then toward each other again, join your palms for a while, and again away from each other. Now lead the lady into the rotation in front of you, right hand pulls the lady in front of you, not onto you, that's very important. So pull with the right hand, then move your elbow backward and the hand to the right side to initiate the lady's spin. It's similar to what we've done at the beginning of our routine. From that point, we're getting into the dip. Right after letting go with your hand, place both hands on the lady's back, shift your weight to the left leg, rotate your body counterclockwise, bend your left knee, keep your back straight, straighten your elbows, leading the lady into the pose. It's very important not to lean over the lady, keep your back straight as a counterweight. Now the lady's perspective. Make sure that your left hand is in the man's right hand after the part with the side steps before unwrapping. Now rotate clockwise, start with the right leg and right, left, bend your knee slightly, side step to the right into the opening. Back to each other, shift your weight to the left leg, away, onto the right leg again. Now wrap toward the man, start with the left leg, left, right, left, right, and up in front of your partner, facing him, and place your hands on his shoulders. Getting into the dip, shift your weight to the right leg and rotate to end up with your right side to the man. Let's turn around to show it from the front. So again, rotate counterclockwise, take 4 steps, keep your steps small, flex your core muscles, keep your back straight. Start with the left leg and the left, right, right. Place both your hands on the man's shoulders, then rotate a bit more to end up with your right side to the man. Getting into the dip, bend your right knee, left leg stays straight, direct your hips forward and up, chest goes up and tilt your upper body and head backward. At the same time, you can lead your left hand to the left and back, following it with your gaze. Then straighten your knee, get out of the pose, place your hand on the man's shoulder again. Timing is very important during this pose. Notice that the man's side step to the left should be at the same time exactly as the lady's side step to the right, the last step of her rotation. Lady's right leg should be close to the man's left leg, then together you should rotate, getting into the pose. Ladies, avoid pulling your partner with you and leaning on him too much. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's go back to our proper direction and we're going to count this part. We're after the side steps after swaying from side to side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4,